Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and my beloved queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today to show you how to make a dangle drop wire wrap acrylic glass bead earring. Okay, now this earring is not going to take long at all to make or create. It's pretty simple. Here are the items that you are going to need to do this here, how to make or DIY. You're going to need some wire cutters, some round nose pliers. You're going to need 2 pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire. Cut both pieces 12 inches long. Okay, you're going to need a piece of 20 gauge wire, and it doesn't have to be that long, maybe about 5 inches. You're going to need 2 20mm acrylic beads. Now, I used to get these from AC Moore. AC Moore is not in existence anymore. So you may be able to find something like this at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, okay? Just throwing that out there. And I also have a 10mm glass pearl bead, okay? You're going to need 2 fish hooks also. So let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm just going to basically just set this stuff here off to the side, and we're going to get the ball rolling. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your 20mm large bead, and I'm going to also tell you this design you can do if you have wood beads. You can also do this design using wood beads as well. So you're going to take your wire and you're going to put it through, and you're going to push both of these pieces up together, okay? Just like this. Okay? You're going to push them two together. You're going to take one piece and you're going to wrap this piece, take this piece, and you're going to wrap it around your bead. So you're going to come all the way around. But when you come around, you're going to go to the opposite side. So you're going to bring it around this way, okay? And then when you come up, you're going to come behind the wire. So you're going to come over here, okay? So actually, the piece that was in the front should now be behind this wire right here, okay? And all you're going to do is you're going to take and you're going to wrap or twist it together just like this. And you're going to twist this piece. You're going to bring this piece around one more time to the front. Just like that. Okay. Push these together. All right. So this is pretty much what you are going to have. And then you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to just make a loop just like this. And you're going to push your piece down just like that. Whoops. You're going to push it down. Just like that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make another design. So we're just going to start, we're going to take our piece and bend it over this way. Like this. Then we're going to bring it back this way. And we're going to take our finger. I like using my fingers. I don't use the pliers when I'm doing this. just like this. Then we're going to come back and we're going to bring it over this way. Then we're going to take this finger and bring it over this way, just like that. Then we're going to take and bring it over again, and then over again. And then we're going to, this piece here, we're just going to roll up, which is our loop. Just like that. And this is what you are going to have. This is what your earring is going to look like. Now the very last thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our 20 gauge wire and we're going to make a loop. We're going to come down about 1/2 inch. We're going to make a loop right here. We're going to give it some indentation just like this, and this is what you're going to have. And you're going to take this piece and you're just going to slide it right on here like that. Close it up, and then we're just going to take and put our round nose pliers over top, push this piece down and wrap it a couple of times, once or twice. And then I'm going to snip this off like there and squeeze that in. And then the very last thing I'm going to do is not the last thing, but I'm going to add on my pearl. Okay. And then all I'm going to do is make my loop. Make my loop. Give it a little indentation. And then I'm just going to continue to wrap this around. Just like this. All right, and I'm gonna snip off this little extra piece here. That's why I say you don't really need a whole lot of wire. And just squeeze that in. And then the very last thing you do is you add on your fish hook. Add that on. Actually, I gotta turn it this way because you want this piece to be in the front. You close it up. And bam, you got yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. Okay? And these are lightweight, they're not heavy, pretty light. They're different and they are unique. And guess what? You made it less than 6 minutes. How awesome is that to make a pair of earrings less than 6 minutes, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you. I greatly appreciate all of y'all's support. If this is your very first time here on this platform, please do me a favor and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Excuse me. And also make sure you subscribe if you like what I do here on this platform. Okay. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next video, y'all, peace and blessings. See ya.